Hey guys, what's up? So today I decided to take you on a little quick tour of Store Bay, Tobago. Now Store Bay is one of Tobago's most popular beaches. In fact, it's probably like the equivalent of Maracas Beach in Trinidad, but for Tobago itself. That being said, although it's a very big tourist destination, it is truly a beautiful beach with immaculate waters, as well as some really great sand and swimming conditions. It's a must visit at least once on a trip to Tobago. So we're gonna head down today and check it out. I'll give you a small little tour. But before we do that, just a quick big up to my sponsors for today. Today's video sponsor is Praimsingh's Cultural Gift Shop. This store was established in the 1940s. Today the store carries a wide variety of Indian groceries, books, music and musical instruments, crystals and other vibesy items. They also have an in-house kitchen preparing fresh Indian delicacies daily, barfi, gulab, and other mouth-watering sweets. There are two locations, one on the corner of Watt Street in Curragh and one in St. Ives Street, Chaguanas, next to the Passage of Asia. If you cannot make it to the store, you can check them on Facebook or Instagram and purchase via their website, which I will link in the description below. Normally delivery takes approximately 3 business days. So thank you very much to Praimsingh's for this week's sponsor. Check them out, they gave us some really delicious items to try out, and I highly recommend checking them out if you have needs for these types of items. So without further ado guys, let's head down to Store Bay and check it out. Moment in time I'm standing on Store Bay to the far left of the beach. Now to get to Store Bay, you're pretty much either coming from the airport or you're coming from an outside area, maybe you're staying somewhere further away. This is the most popular area of Tobago in terms of being built up and having amenities, restaurants and that kind of stuff. So when you get onto the actual beach itself, Store Bay is very small but very beautiful. It's a very ideal swimming beach. 90% of the time it's very calm, good for swimmers as I said. Once in a while it gets rough, but you probably don't have to worry about that too much at this beach. It's very clear, beautiful water and lots of sand, not too much rocks. Probably one of the best swimming beaches in all of Tobago if I'm being completely honest. So let's have a little walk and check it out. What is also great about Store Bay is that you have beach chairs, there's a lifeguard on duty most of the time, as well as it's very near to a lot of food amenities. Famous curry crab and dumpling and those different shops are right around the corner. There's also a lot of little shops that sell Tobago kind of trinkets and wraps, bracelets, a lot of little local made stuff however, so you can always take a walk through and check that out as well. So at Store Bay, there's also the possibility to rent jet skis. You can sometimes when you come here, they have a real hustler mentality with some of the people here. They're nice people, but they will approach you and try to get you to rent stuff or come on the boat tours. If you're not interested, just politely say not interested or no thank you. And of course, if you are, feel free to support the economy here and take a little boat trip with them. You probably would really enjoy it. You know, there's a lot of beautiful things out there with the Buccoo Reef and everything. But sometimes people just want to come and relax, have a seat on the beach, and in which case it's about 40 TT per chair to rent and $20 per umbrella, give or take, depending on who you talk to. This beach does not have very much shade. Be prepared to come and rent these amenities to increase the pleasure at the beach itself here, or else you might be taking real sun like me right now. But I'm going to send the drone up in the air right now and show you the different areas of the beach, and I'll label it with some text so you can kind of understand the layout of the surrounding area for when you come here to make your life a little bit easier. So let's head up in the sky and see what's going on. Well everyone, I hope you really enjoyed this trip to Store Bay. I highly recommend again that you check it out. I know I didn't get around to like the crab and dumpling and all the famous stuff that they normally have there. It was a weekday though and we had a bit of a time constraint. But those are nice things to check out while you're there. Check out the vendors and maybe buy something nice and take it home with you. But yeah, and one more shout out to Praimsingh for sponsoring this video. Thank you very much again. If you are interested in sponsoring a Trini Surfer video, reach out to me via email or on Instagram, and I can tell you about the packages that we have available. As I always say in my videos, the goal is for you to help me out and me to help you out. I provide the exposure and you guys help me keep this channel alive with other kinds of support. Thank you very much again. I hope you enjoyed it, and look out for next week's video, as we'll probably be in Tobago again before I return to Trinidad. Have a great week, everybody. Blessings, and thank you for your time.